In this video, we are going to construct a circle of radius 3.5 centimeters, draw a diameter and label it as PR, construct its perpendicular bisector, let it meet the circle at Q and S. Join PQRS. What type of quadrilateral is it? Let us first draw a circle of radius 3.5 centimeters. Draw a diameter, label it as PR. Now to construct a perpendicular bisector, place your compass at point P, open the compass greater than half of PR, draw two arcs above and below the line PR. Now with the same radius, place your compass at R and draw two arcs intersecting the previously drawn arcs. On joining these two points of intersection of the two arcs, we'll get the perpendicular bisector of PR. This perpendicular bisector meets the circle at two distinct points. These points are Q and S. On joining PQRS, we'll get a quadrilateral, which is a square.